what should you do if you just received a speeding ticket and it's at Pueblo Municipal Court? So this is what you need to do in order to represent yourself. Now, you're going to have a court date on there. You may be able to call down to the court and go ahead and cancel that date and get what's called a pre-trial conference. That's just a fancy word where it means that you sit down with the city attorney and you talk about ways to resolve your case. If you think that the case is BS, that it should be dismissed, that's your opportunity to plead your case. Now, if the city attorney disagrees, what he is more than likely going to do is to extend you some sort of offer. So perhaps you're charged with a 4-point offense. He may extend you a plea offer to a 3-point offense or a deferred sentence. And the way a deferred sentence works is if you stay out of trouble, no other moving violations during the length of the deferred. So with the 6-month deferred, you stay out of trouble during that period, then the DMV is never going to find out about it. The points never hit your license. So that is one way. Now, another way is you have your first court date, you get there, you're going to go for the judge. She's going to say, okay, Mr. So-and-so, you're charged with this. Would you like to hire an attorney? She may even offer you a plea deal there. If you like the plea deal, I believe you could take it right then and there on the spot. If you want some more time to think about it, or you want an opportunity to present your case, that's when you're going to go and say, hey, listen, I would like to have a pretrial conference with the city attorney, and the judge will schedule a time for you to come back in a few weeks to sit down and meet with the city attorney. So what are some things you could do before that pretrial conference? One thing is you want to know exactly what it is that the officer thinks you did wrong. So you want to go ahead and request and review your discovery. Now, discovery is just a fancy word for the police officer's body worn camera, the reports, all the evidence that the government has against you. And here in regards to Pueblo Municipal Court, you'll go ahead, there's a little form at the front counter, you fill out that form, you give it to the clerk at the front window at Pueblo Municipal Court, and I believe in about 5 to 10 days, it will be ready, but you have to go over to the police department side, you pick it up there, you're going to have to pay for it, there is a fee for it, and that is how you get your discovery. Most of the time, if it's a low-level speeding ticket, you can do it without me. If you want to hire an attorney or you have questions, remember, call me. DUI, call Conti.